Good morning, everyone. We back in the same spot in the playground. We got some geese over there sitting down. Nobody around. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm back in the same spot, 3 miles. It took them an hour, 15 minutes to get home the last time. So they're not ready to go any farther. It was challenging because, you know, the river and the lake they had to cross and the city, but they're just not ready yet. So I'm gonna let them go. It was kind of foggy this morning, that's why I didn't take them out earlier. So now it's 8 o'clock. They're gonna go out and they're gonna fly home. All right, let me let them out. 28 birds. One bird then came home from 3 miles. So I don't know the reason. Here they are. That's what they did the last time. They went over the trees and they disappeared. Yep. I don't know where they go, and they're going already. That's the tower right there, the water tower. There's the yard, right up on top of the water tower. They're coming across. They should have come home in around, from here around 10-15 minutes. Now an hour 15. So that would tell me that they're not ready. All right, they're right over there. You see, right there, right above the tree line there. They disappear now. You can't see them no more. Anyway, we had the club meeting and barbecue yesterday. I had a little footage on that one. I'll probably post it up. And it was a good meeting, a lot of people, a lot of new flyers. All right. This is the 4th toss. They're all the way down at the bottom there by the water tower. This is my 4th toss. I'm going slow, as you see. It's like 35, 38 days left for the first race. So I got time. All right, enjoy your day. Stratos Love here. Take care now.